Alright, so this one is the proportion 4, where we started the word problems. I'm going to do one of the, I think I did 1 and 6 in the original video. So remember, if you're not watching the videos that I upload, you're missing out on answers to your assignments. Alright. One package of blueberries costs $3. So you could think of it as package over cost. Or, I mean, you could have done it the other way. It doesn't really matter which way. Equal. It says how many packages of blueberries. So how many packages, that means that's what you don't know. Packages. Can you buy for $9? So then you just cross multiply. What's 3 times x? 3x. What's 1 times 9? Okay, so 3x equals 9 is our little equation. Yeah, so you're both right. Huh? Well, some of them, the numbers are small enough that you can do without doing all the equations. The reason we practice doing it with the equations is sometimes that they're bigger and you can't do it in your head. But you're right, this one you could have figured out on your own. If one costs 3, then you could fit 3 packages for $9. Like, I know you could do that without the whole math. But the reason, like I said, is sometimes the numbers that you get in the problem aren't something you can do in your head. Okay? Let's see. I'm going to do 5. Shauna reduced the size of a rectangle to a height of 2 inches. What is the new width if it was originally 24 inches wide and 12 inches tall? So what we have is height and width. So it doesn't really matter, again, which one you put on top. I just did it in the order that they brought it up. But you want to stick to it. So she reduced it to a height of 2 inches. And we want to know what was the width. So we don't know this. Okay. The original was 24 inches wide. That's width, so it goes on the bottom. And 12 inches tall. Okay. A common mistake I saw was putting 24 over 12 here just because that was the order they wrote it in. Which would be fine if you put W over 2 here, but you just got to stick with one. So what's W times 12? And what's 2 times 24? 48. Okay, and then we just do what we did on the other one. Again, you might know this one in your head, but we divide by the number in front of the W because that's being multiplied. So the new width, 48 divided by 12, is 4. And this should be in inches. Okay. If there's units in the problem, then put units in your answers. Okay. Does that help on the proportion word problem ones? Alright, so I'm just pausing that for a second because no sense in the video having us talk about the next one. What about the coins? We needed help counting coins.
Do you need help counting coins? I think something's wrong.
Well, you'd be surprised how many people just hand money to a cashier and don't actually know what they're supposed to get back. Do y'all feel okay about the coins? How about the dollar bills?
I did have that one.
Okay. How about when you mix them? You're good. I do want to do one of those. I'm going to do one of those. And the reason I'm choosing the one I did is, well, you'll see in a second. This is the coins and bills. I want to look at number 5 because it's got something a little bit different about it that the others don't have. Most of these you could count the dollar bills, put the amount, then put the decimal, count the coins, and put that amount. But if you count the coins here, we've got 25 plus 25, that's 50 cents, right? Then another quarter, that's 75 cents. Then you have a dime, that's 85 cents. Yeah. Then you have another dime, that's 95 cents. But then you have another dime. So aren't we at 95 cents plus 10 cents is $1.05?
Yeah.
And then you have 5 cents, so that's $1.10. And then 2 pennies, that's $1.12. So you have $1.12 just from the coins.
We have
$42, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. Yeah. You want to count, be careful, because probably you were thinking that was 20. 20 and 10 makes 30, and 5 makes 35, 36, 37. So you had $37. But you in coins had more than $1. So how many dollars do you actually have? You had $37 here. You had $1.12 with the coins. $37 and $1.12 makes how much? Didn't that make $38.12? Yeah. This one was the only one that the coins added up to more than $1, so it changed what your dollars added up to. Okay? And that's why I wanted to make sure to do that one with you. Alright, how about, y'all were talking about today's. Do y'all want to just talk about today's now? Okay. Alright, so next we're going to talk about today's assignment. So those were the only questions we had in class over old assignments. We will do a Google Zoom, not Zoom, but Google Meet, which is like Zoom, on Monday. If y'all just see that, because y'all won't be here in person on Monday, if y'all see that there is something that you hadn't turned in yet and you needed to ask a question about it, because tomorrow's the end of the 3 weeks, so Monday grades are due. Okay?